Hello, this is Kevin Ashley. I'm a software engineer at One Day Doors and Closets, and I'm going to show you how we use our sensitive scopes on our Engine 31 OAuth application. I'll start by logging into Engine 31, which is our CRM application, and I'll navigate to our calendar feeds. So our calendar feeds are a means of getting our scheduled appointments from our CRM to external calendar clients. Um, the original use case was ICS feeds that could be subscribed to from basically any calendar client. But while Apple Calendar is pretty fast at pulling the ICS feed, Google Calendar is not, and a lot of our users prefer Google Calendar. So we had to come up with a more real-time solution, which is why we have this Google Calendar sync option. And this is the reason we needed the OAuth. So if I click this connect button, it launches the OAuth dialog. I'll choose my account and proceed. And here you can see those three sensitive scopes that we need. I'll go ahead and select all, and I'll talk about why we need each of those three once we get past this. So here you can see we have the option to create a new Google Calendar, but we also have the option to choose from existing Google Calendars, so that the ability to show all the existing calendars for that user is why we need the calendar.calendar list scope. But then if we do choose to create a brand new Google Calendar and then give it whatever name we want, that would require the calendar.calendars scope, which is what enables us to create a new calendar for that user. And then when I go ahead and click save and sync, it's going to establish that linkage, and it's also going to push a bunch of events to that Google Calendar. And for that, we need the calendar.events scope to actually create and edit those events. So I'll go ahead and save and sync. So now it's writing those events to my Google Calendar, specifically to the calendar that's called All Appointments New. And then I could go look at the calendar here. And there we go. All appointments new. It's got these appointments that just got pushed up. And if I was to go to a contact and edit an appointment or create a new appointment, but I could like change the time on an appointment, hit next, submit, and then that actually will sync that update to that event. So that's a 12 o'clock appointment, and you see it just updated to 12 o'clock. So that's how our OAuth works. It's all about this calendar connection. And that's all there is to it. Thanks.